guys, what is up? It's your boy Eldrin24 coming back to you with another video, and today is my first day eating lobster. Never before have I eaten lobster, and today I will. This is also what I got. We are at the famous lobster place, Red Lobster, and
it's not famous?
yeah, let me just turn this lobster. I've never eaten lobster, so I don't know how to eat it. I've eaten crawfish though. I'm a very expert in crawfish. Yes. I just need to. Thank you, Dad.
First, you need to take it out of the system. Just take it all the way out of the system. I mean, LG24.
Yes, thank you, guys. Thank you, Dad. I mean, LJ24's dad. Guys, that did not just happen. That was just editing stuff.
Knife. There's a knife.
Never eaten this. Guys, I'm ready.
Oh, I almost drank yours, Steve.
Guys. Hold on, guys. This is awesome. This is like the most awesomest crawfish lobster thing I've ever tasted. Do you want some, Dad? This is the best crawfish thing I've ever tasted. This, guys, is teenage approved. Not the part where it fell on the floor. That's definitely not teenage approved. But everything else is teenage approved. I'm going to eat this piece